Greetings, Sacred Sisters. This is your girl Takayu coming today with 4 tips to uplift your mood. I know we all get in a little funky mood or we get down and depressed at times, but here's 4 simple tips to readjust your mood. Tip 1. Simple enough, take a walk. Moving will circulate your energy and alter your mood. It'll also help you redirect yourself and focus on other things rather than whatever it is you're thinking of that is causing you to be in a bad mood. And your energy just might be stagnant. Your blood may just need some circulation. So a walk should always alter your mood in a positive direction. 2. Get some sunlight. Sometimes there's also a thing they call it winter depression or something. If you get a lack of sunlight, you can become depressed. Staying in the house. Also, staying in the house too, you're not getting a lot of oxygen and sunlight. So when you go out and get that sunlight, that'll charge your energy. Every time I feel down and I go out, get a little sun beaming on me in my garden, I instantly have all these ideas and new energy pops up. So if you're feeling in a rut, just go out. Go to the park, sit in the sun for a little while. Combine that with the walk, and you're almost guaranteed to have an uplifted mood. So tip number 3, breathing. Yes, I know we breathe by default. However, we don't consciously breathe. And if you're in the house a lot, you might have shallow breathing, and the oxygen may not be optimal to get the proper oxygen to your brain cells. So do some deep breathing. Or go outside and breathe the fresh oxygen with the exchange with the plants. And this also will lift your mood, because sometimes the air in the house can be a little deficient and you might need some fresh air outside. So deep breathing, outdoor breathing, all of this should uplift your mood. Number 3, stretching. Stretching, yoga, movement will uplift your energy simply because it alters your state. Because a lot of the state you're in can just be your posture. If you sit upright, you'll feel more confident. If you slouch, you'll feel less confident. So movement has a direct correlation to your mood. So do a little stretch, do a little yoga, and this will more than likely alter your mood. So I hope this helps you in uplifting your mood. Thanks for watching Takayu's 4 tips for sacred living. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.
I feel the tension, I feel the tension, I feel the tension, I do not have to mention. Straight from my temple, coming from my dome. I feel the tension, I feel the tension, I feel the tension, I do not have to mention. Straight from my temple.